There's a little birdie. It's very close to our fishing area.
There's our worm.
In China, you have salad nắp cho nó nữa. Đấy, này ra cái nhóc kia hồi nọ. Come in down here.
Small one.
Come in, watch him. Oh, where's he going? Don't fry him. Let him come. Let him come. You gotta come grab the worms.
You wanna let it?
Yeah.
Good.
That's one already? Oh, look at that. Let's come and grab it. Oh, look at that. That's cool. You come steal my worms, little birdie. Why?
Yeah, we at least food.
Yeah, you hungry? Take it away. Yeah.
Look. The bird is stealing our worm.
Oh man. Still got lots, so take it away, feed your baby. Nông cái màu nông đó là có cái tôi chỉ là gió cái gì còn cái tôi cho nó mỗi một tập thọ nó thì mình nó gặp phải and Brennan fishing this area. There's a lot of bluegills, a lot of What, you got a big one?
Keep that one?
No. You guys want to stay here or you want to go to the dock? Huh? Cast it over there.
Yeah, bird's gonna follow us.
No.
I got something.
It's very calm, very nice. Oh, we keep the next fish, okay? No, bây giờ chúng tôi muốn nói đó. Nó tới to a small mountain here, so it wasn't a good size, so we didn't keep it. Aiden, what are you doing? Huh? You got it? Let's see. Why you do that? Okay, real. Hang on. Hold it. Okay, close it. Okay. Keep going. Okay, got it. Father and son time, okay? Quality time to spend here at Hudson Bay. 주문 이제到了，都是学生。cái này con nữa tụi nó rồi. Wow. Pick it up.
No.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Catch it.
Hold it tight.
Hold
in
the
the
mouth. Yeah, open the mouth. Yeah.
Hold it tight.
Okay. You take out the bait first.
It's just a regular bite.
Yes. It's a smallmouth. You got it, Aiden? You gotta try your best. Okay. Here, let me see. Wow, it's Brendan's. Brendan, you wanna hold it? Put it right there. Yes.
Oh my.
Okay.
Hold it tight.
Hold it the mouth.
Hurry. Hold it.
Wow, look at that big smallmouth.
Did I just throw it?
Yeah, throw it. Hello.